everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. How are you doing today? Happy Easter! So what are we doing today? Today I will be teaching us how to make a delicacy healthy salad. And to make this, I'll be using a couple of ingredients which are loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties that can help us and all keep healthy and also to stay healthy. Alright, if you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome. This is Cecelia O World's YouTube channel. I will be telling you about the ingredients that I will be using for this wonderful healthy salad. So the main ingredient I will be using is this coleslaw. It has the cabbage and the carrot. And that is the same thing I have here. And I will be adding a couple of boiled shrimp into this carrot. And I will be adding some form of chicken into the salad. Yeah, I have the shredded carrots that I will be adding. And here I have the lima bean. Oh yeah, this is gonna be yummy. And also here I have a glass cup of milk. I have the powdered milk. And I'll be using light mayonnaise. And this I'll be mixing together to make the cream on the salad. The first thing I'm going to do is to add the salad, and this is already washed and my hand is clean. So you just layer it up. Just add a little bit of this. Then now I will be adding the carrots. I'll be adding the lima beans. The lima beans, this is a yummy salad. Then now I'm adding the shrimp. So now I'll be adding the chicken. So we add the chicken. So the next thing, let's go again with salt. This is ready. The next thing I'm going to do now is to make the cream. Yeah. So now I have a light mayonnaise. This salad is ready. Let me know what you think about this. Please try out this recipe. And until next time, when I come your way, it's to your girl, Cecelia. I love you all.